morning everyone. Sorry, good afternoon everyone. My name is Mansi Singh and I am here to share my learnings throughout the sessions which I learned from Inspire Living. Inspire Living really inspired us for a better future. It not only gave us a gist of how to crack an international interview, but also made us recognize, made us meet ourselves how to be the best out of you. Inspire Living, we got to learn many things in Inspire Living sessions, such as how to make a SWOT analysis, which stands for strength, weakness, opportunities, threats, which will later help us to choose our department. Second, we got to learn about 5 P's of interview. And third, we got to learn about Mehrabian's principle, which included three V's of principle. And later on, we got to see many videos, motivational videos, to help us get the best out of you and never give up. So now, I would like to hand over to my friend Sefi, and he will take the further discussion.
Good afternoon. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity to about myself and about what we learned about few days and joined in Inspire Living classes. First of all, one thing, we have learned lot of things without our studies. We are learn about our skills, our presentation, how to present yourself, how to talk to another person. And the first one thing is you are come and learn here. You can write on your on heart what you want and what you do yourself. Firstly, you can write on your heart, and if you want something you most pay the price. God say also, you can do anything, your hard work, then I will definitely give you. This is fact. And sir also telling these kinds of things. And there is no shortcut which you can achieve it. There is no shortcut. Definitely you can do your best. You improve your skills. I learned lot of things here, because I am not that kind of person in few days. I am so much improvement here, and I am telling you what kinds of topic. Mehrabian principles. The 3 types of Mehrabian principles. First one is visual, 55%. Visual is totally depend on you. How to explain you, how to talk you, how to present you, just like. And second one is verbal, word selection. How to select your word vocabulary. You can sit your family with and also your word selection. And third one is vocal, voice, tone. It means you can firstly you tell you about your emotions. Your sound pitch is still down and you excited. Wow, understand my point. And the second one is SWOT is you totally analyze yourself. And cash, you can know about yourself, knowledge, attitude, and all, and etc. And growth, your growth, it's not a growth of just like growth, like two types of growth: internal, external. External growth, my father is very rich. I have 10 cars, I have a lot of money, I have so much friends. And internal growth are very important to everyone. Internal growth, just like your skill, how to develop you, how to body postures, present you, how everything. This is a growth. This is more important. This is your achievement, not your achievement like you are your father, your big daddy son, your rich daddy son. It's not growth. Your achievement, your growth is internal growth. And thank you, man. thank you. This foundation of time. So and
Thank you for giving me a chance to speak. I am very thankful. I am very thankful to give opportunity, to give opportunity and face the audience of the inspiring class. My topic is the 5 P's of interviewing. First, preparation. Preparation is necessary for any interview. Second, practice. Practice is must because when we don't do practice, then we can't achieve your goals. Practice make a man perfect and habitual to our strength. Third one is personal representation. Personal representation is how you represent yourself, how to carry yourself, how much you are groomed, your body, posture, gestures, your body language, your speaking, your attitude, and all other things. Fourth one is pertinent questions. It is a common question what interviewer asks in interview. Example, tell me about yourself, and you know very well what is the common question in interview. Fifth one is post interview. It is a time period when you recognize your mistakes. Then recognize your mistakes, then you will point out your mistakes, and then thank you. I give my
Thank you so much, Shiran. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aman Hussain, and today we are here to present ourselves and present our topic. My topic is which we see the videos in our Inspire Living classes. Those videos motivate us, change our attitude, and many more things. Because of those videos, I think that I have been changed too much, and
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Mohammed Reza. I'm going to telling about SWOT. So, what is SWOT? SWOT means strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. After joining Inspire Living, we know about our weaknesses, strength, and opportunity. We are facing a future threat. I know about my strength. My strength are to enhance my confidence power, and my weaknesses to work improve myself, and opportunity will give in future, and threat and threats we are facing in future. So then I hand over to Amir to tell about students.
Thank you, Shadab. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Muhammad Amir, and I am here to do the conclusion of this session. What is Inspire Living? What does Inspire Living does? Inspire Living is all about you. It doesn't does any magic or anything like that. It is just enhancing your internal skills, or it just tells you to focus on the things which you have never seen in yourself, but they are in you, but you have not focused on them. So some things, some kind of things are just like which are important for the interviews, which none of them has have covered the topic. Are some key points are like in the interviews, what are the main things that you have to focus? You have to be truth, speak truth. You have to be realistic, not to be fake. And you have to show your cash in the few minutes of the interviews, in the starting of only. And be the best what you can be. This is the main thing that you have to focus on. And there are something that 4 A's of the interview: attitude, acceptance, appearance, and assurance. And Inspire Living tell us to enhance the new habits to enhance the new habits in us for the betterment of our overall personality. Like if we are not able to speak proper English, then there is one thing that we can do all alone. Is like we can make our videos for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or whatever the time period you feel comfortable, and watch it, and then see the mistakes that you have done during that in that video, and then correct it, and then make another video, and then see same and repeat it for the time period that you need to improve your English totally. Thank you.